Okay, welcome to another unboxing. So I'm gonna have to make this a little quick because I'm warming up food and I'm getting ready to watch a movie. So I'll move these back a bit here. But right now, this is the helmet front and side mount from GoPro. So I'm gonna unbox this, and this here, in this box, that is a GoPro mouth or bite mount, and it's from there seems to be limited options. I could either find it on the GoPro website, which for some reason I didn't trust to order it from, directly from the GoPro website. I wanted to get it from a place that I figured would be very fast. This place delivered it literally in less than 1 day, I think. 1 day or something like that. And this place that I ordered the mouth mount from is called the B&H B&H Photo Video Store, and it's somewhere in friggin' downtown Manhattan, so that's pretty cool. It's a huge video store in Manhattan, and they just happen to have these the mouth or bite mounts for the GoPro. I'm not talking about the orange floaty one or anything. I'll open it up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is a good place to get it from. Now I ordered express, so it's $19 for this, for the mouthpiece. It's $19, but with the express it came out to like $43, $44 because I needed it fast. Because tomorrow, and this is why I'm doing this video, tomorrow I will be driving go-karts, I think for the first time ever in my life. If I did it as a kid, it's something that I don't remember. And I'm obviously, like, I didn't even know how to drive as a kid. So, like, other than video games. So, that's going on tomorrow, and I sort of wanted to get some recordings, you know, on the go-kart. Maybe throw some Mario Kart music on there, if it's not copyright. So, I guess, yeah, I'm just going to have to break it open. I think it's meant to like this. Yeah. There's really no other way to open it, so. I have the box cutter. I could use it a bit. Let me see. But yeah, this one I already broke it up. Just wanted to show you this real quick. But I'm trying to hurry too because I'm warming up food and I'm going to check out a new movie on Amazon Prime. So, I also have my GoPro, my little bag here. And the camera lens is different right now because I'm recording through my Nikon D3200. It's the same camera I recorded from my San Francisco vlogs, which I haven't uploaded yet anywhere. But, so I got this in here, is receipt stuff, which I'll put over here for now. There you go, bubble wrap. Something called Build Expo. Don't know if you can see that. Build Expo. B&H. I don't know if it's their headquarters. What says announcing B&H's new Build Expo. Wow, there you go. So they have an expo. But I don't live anywhere near New York, so I can't see it. Otherwise, I'd probably check it out. But that's all it is for right there. So I'm gonna get my thumbnail here, but here are the two items that I don't know which one I'll be using tomorrow. I'll move it back. So I don't know which one I'll be using tomorrow. Hold on, let me check the light. Off. Maybe if I turn it back on, I could reduce it. Maybe that's a little better. Let me move that some. Just trying to adjust the camera. But so there you go. Get this out of the way. And here's my GoPro camera. Like I said, I'm not filming this with a GoPro camera right now. But I'll go ahead and open up the bite mount so you can see it. Yeah, there's no choice but to tear this open anyway, so. And all that is sticky. There you go, it's open. Hopefully my GoPro bag is big enough to carry all this, but I don't think it is, honestly. So there's a guide book there for the bite mount. Okay, so it does come with necessary screw and one of these. So now I have extra ones, that's cool. And this is it, obviously. I'm going to put this in my mouth and everything. I know this part, yeah, I watched the videos where you sort of press it down. But hold on. Now I'm sort of curious. Because here's my camera. And again, I'm not sure. I'm not sure which one I will be using tomorrow. Let's see if I can figure this out real quick. I think it's a double thing. I think you do need the normal one. But then I also think you don't. I'm not sure. Hold on. Without even reading instructions, let me see. Something's in here. Oh, well, this screw. That's the other screw. What's in here? There's nothing in there. So I also have this screw here. So let me see. Clearly don't know what I'm doing. Do I need a video? Because I saw it in a video, but let me just try to do it without a video. So that goes like that. I think that goes like that. And this goes like this. And again, I could be completely doing this wrong too, so. My mouth goes like this, so hold on. Maybe I turn it this way. And now I'm probably not going to put it in my mouth right now, but maybe tomorrow when I do one of the races at the go-kart place. And, you know, I'll put the title, you know, which one's in my mouth, which one's not. I'm thinking about attaching the camera to, like, the chin portion, you know, as well. So, let me see something. Like, I really don't know. Hold on. Trying to see something. This may not be right at all. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. And then I don't know how much time they'll give me to like switch out camera. I don't know how patient. I did call the place and I asked them if I can record. They said yes. Now, so this one. Oh boy. Did I just get it stuck? I shouldn't have did that. Oh. That fell off. Wow, did I get it stuck? I put the wrong screw in. Well, it just pulls out there. No, so I think that one... I think this one goes up here then. Right, like that. It's how I do it. So I have to remember that the long one goes to the top. There's that weight keeps knocking it over. And then this one goes down here maybe. is sort of going in there, I guess. So yeah, it's growing in. It's pretty much tightened up there already. And then, you know, I have my mouth, you know, going here. But instead of upright like this, you know, what you want to do is it would be upside down. And then the teeth go here and the camera would sort of be below. So teeth go here. Teeth up here. And it's on a different lens. And then the camera will sort of be hanging down here. And then I sort of record it that way. And then when I go edit it in like Premiere, DaVinci, After Effects, Sony Vegas, whatever you're using, whatever software, and then just horizontally, you know, vertically, whatever, flip the video 180 degrees, and then you edit it that way. Because this would be the most true sort of like POV, you know. But again, that's what I'm thinking. I think I'm going to test it out tomorrow. So, that is the end portion of this video. So let me move on to this right here. And again, let me unscrew these just to make sure everything. That's pretty cool though, you know. So, and it all just comes off. So I put this over here for now. And this. I need to get like a little bag for those. I may have like some sandwich bags or something I can use. Just to keep all of this together so that I know what's what. You know. Now let's unbox this right here. So this does have tape on it. But I am trying to hurry because, like I said, I'm warming food on a pretty high temperature right now. So the helmet, front and side mount. So for this, I'm just gonna, show you what that looks like. Dang, these are the same things. Yeah. So, and there's the adhesives on the back. Let me show you. The adhesive parts on the back, which I've never actually used before. So, this may be a first. And they said I could do it. And I asked them about adhesive. Maybe they didn't know what I was talking about. Because I asked the place if I could use, I said, can I use adhesive if it comes to that? Now the girl went and asked someone, I don't know who she asked, but they told me yes. I should have recorded it on the phone. But, because I don't know if something happens to the helmet. Because, I mean, it's adhesive. But they did tell me I could use it. So, I think this part sort of slides in. Huh. And then it clamps down or whatever. Yeah. Alright, like I said, I'll figure it out. And then the other issue is I don't actually have. Well, I know like the GoPro, you know, this is gonna pull out. Hold on. Move it back because I don't know if you can see it. So the GoPro is obviously going to go in here. Like I said, I don't have a helmet. So I'm not a bike rider. I don't have a motorcycle or anything like that. So, but I'm assuming this is going to go here. This is how it sort of hangs. And this part connects to the helmet. Yeah. And then the adhesive part goes to, like, let's say the side of the helmet. I wonder if there's a way I could put it on the chin. That's what I'm not sure about. But yeah, so this part sticks to the helmet and this will be hanging over the side or however, you know. when I get to that. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to... Let me lift that. Yeah, you lift it. Okay. Lift it and then it can go in. Hold on. Let me see. Yep. Look at that. It goes in and then, if possible, press it back down, but it doesn't look like it. It's not pressing back down. I just want to make sure. Or do I pull it forward? Nah, that's gonna break. I feel like I should press it back down, but it's not really doing it. Yeah, because that doesn't seem secure, so maybe... Because that's not going down. And I hate to stretch it out if I'm not supposed to like this. Because it looks like it's going to break off, honestly. Hopefully the camera doesn't fly. I don't know. Am I supposed to press this down here? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to press this in after... I only have one hand right now, so... Yeah, that's not going down. I'll figure it out more tomorrow when it comes to that point. But I just wanted to show you. See how it just slid out? That's a little too easy. But I just wanted to show you so far. See, now it presses down. But let me see how much it's stretching down. Because I was stretching, it seemed like it was going to break. Yeah, that's super thin. That will break. Interesting. But maybe I'll look at the manual later. Well, actually, there was no manual in here. In this box, there was no manual. At least I didn't see one. It's interesting. The other box for the bike had a manual. This one doesn't. It seems like this one needs more of a manual than the other one. But anyway. That's all I have. Like I said, I gotta hurry up and go eat. And I only have like 20 minutes to record at limit on this camera, so it's almost done anyway. Anyway, stay tuned for the GoPro videos, for the go-kart videos. Stay tuned for the go-kart videos. So I may be going tomorrow to this party at this go-kart place, and I may be testing these out. But that's why I'm doing the unboxing, just to show you. Anyway, I gotta go. Get some food. Watch a movie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you.